Today is all yours, so love it and live it. With this morning motivational quote, a big hello to my Chivaralis crowd, myself Meghna with my co-host Miss Mavish extend our pleasant greetings to all of you gathered here on behalf of Time Master Skills Development Center. To all our dearest parents, enthusiastic participants, and our energetic colleagues to Spring Competition 2019.
Good morning, everyone. As all of you know me, my name is Mehvesh. Invocations draw us together towards the divine authority of God and set the tone for any given occasion by assuring His guidance, protection, and presence. I now request everyone to raise for prayer, followed by the national anthem as the tribute to God and this country. Please, everyone, stand for the national anthem and the prayer.
I pray you'll be alright. And watch us where we go. And help us to be wise. In times when we don't know. Let me see your when we lose love, lead us to a place, guide us with your arms, to a place where we'll be safe.
La luce che tu fai
I pray you'll find your time
nel cuore resterà,
and hold it on high.
a ricordarci che
When the stars don't reach now,
l'eterna stella sei. Nella mia preghiera
let this be our prayer.
quanta fede c'è.
Share us with your
Lead us to a place,
guide us with your grace. Give us space for we
sogniamo un mondo senza più violenza, un mondo di giustizia e di speranza. Ognuno a in giro, simbolo di pace, di fraternità. Forza che tu sai,
we ask that life be kind
è il desiderio che
and watch us forever.
ognuno trovi
We
amore
hope it's all we find.
come dentro sé. Let this be our prayer,
Let this be your prayer.
just like every child.
Just like every child needs to find a place. Guide us with your grace. Give us peace of when we stray. May our pretty care find us rejoice. Se tu piaci salve.
Thank you to all the dearest parents and the students. I now request Miss Kate to welcome the gathering. Over to you, Miss Kate, to do the welcome address.
Very pleasant good morning to everyone. I would like to welcome all the parents, our lovely students, participants, all officials and staffs. Welcome to Time Master second annual competition. For over almost 2 years, we are conducting the annual competitions under Time Master for all the courses that we are offering, such as robotics, handwriting, abacus, chess, and drawing and painting. Aside from this, we are offering these courses in our institute. I'm concluding speech. Finally, I'm highly appreciating your valuable presence and invite your attention this ceremony, and hopefully everyone will enjoy the event. Also expecting your great contribution in future to our valuable establishment. Good luck to all participants.
Thank you, Ms. Kate, for your welcome address. I welcome you too for Spring Competitions 2019. Within a short while from now, we will be commencing with the abacus competition. I request all the participants of abacus competition and the faculty in charge to be ready. I call upon Ms. Jayashri to come over to the dais to brief about the rules and regulations of the abacus competitions. Over to you, ma'am.
Chintala. She's going to introduce herself as well as what she has made once again, please. A big round of applause for Chintala.
My name is Chintala Sai Pranavika. I have made a self-defense bot. It kicks when it senses something over here, and it runs back when it senses something over here.
Very good. A round of applause again for Chintala, please.
My name is Shivashankari, and this boat runs. This boat's name is Trash Clean Boat, and it cleans the big objects, light in weight objects if it is down, and it cleans that.
My name is Xavier, and I made a bot which can go forward, backwards, left, right, beep, and open and close its mouth.
It's holding it.
Yeah.
Very nice. Thank you. A big round of applause for him as well.
Hi, I'm Nikhil, and this is my house helper bot. It can pick up and push trash into the dustbin, or if you push like a sponge on it or a broom, it can clean your household.
Amazing. A big round of applause for him as well.
Hello, I'm Ibrahim. The name of this bot is Super Slab Bot. It's usually used in hotels as well.
Can you show how it works? Ibrahim, can you show how it works? No.
Well, it's okay, and thanks for his effort, and it was an awesome work. I request everybody to cheer for the participants. Well, coming to the next participant. Yes, what's your name?
My name is PJ.
And what is your robot all about?
Mutant bot. It moves and it has LED lights and it makes a sound.
Wow, it's really interesting. I request everyone to cheer for him. Next participant, may I know your name?
My name is Andre.
What is your robot all about?
It's a gauntlet robot, so people with 3 fingers could do this.
Wow, it's such a nice invention and innovation.
For him as
I request everybody to cheer. Please, parents, put your hands together and cheer for your participants. What's your name?
My name is Virat.
Okay, Virat, what's your robot all about?
It's supposed to be a carrier to carry anything through here. If it's too big, you could do this, and then you could take this, push it on the top of the...
It's basically a carrier robot, right? Yes, excellent, and thank you for your efforts, Virat. Thank you.
My name is Venkatesan, and this robot is a drilling robot. It's used for mining. So it can mine minerals like iron, etc. There's a this sensor here detects the minerals, and then there's it sends a buzzer. There's a buzzer, and then there's light. The light helps I'm going to there could be a camera here, so you can see the minerals, and this is the sensor, and it can also move the drill. Yeah, the controller it's wireless, so you can use it from long ranges, and yeah, thank you.
Excellent, excellent. Clapping for him, please. Now come.
Hi, I'm Jimit, and this bot is a dirt carrying bot. This bot helps on construction sites, and it carries dirt from one place to another.
Can you show how it works?
the bot will move. Someone will put the dirt here, then it'll go back, put the dirt somewhere, and go back, and it's a cycle.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Abhirami. This is a feeding bot. It can feed animals such as dog, cat, like pets at home, and it makes the work less for the family members who's having pets like cat, dogs and all. It can take the food from the pot and give it to the animal. It's like just remote control, so that whenever you want to give the food, you can just use the remote control and give food. Thank you.
Very good, very good.
My name is Ishan. I've made Farmer Bot to reduce farmers' work and effort as they work really hard. It helps to plow the seeds and to harvest the crops.
Thank you, very good. Clapping for him as well.
My name is Tejas, and I have recently completed my grade 7. I have made the safety bot. So what do you guys think this bot does? So this bot actually, if this idea is put into use, it can save millions of lives. So this can be put into cars. As you can see, there's a sensor in the front. So when the car is moving, if a blind man is crossing the road, and if the driver does not see him or he's speaking in the phone, obviously the car will crash into the blind man. But if we put this sensor, the car will immediately stop or go backwards, saving hence millions of lives. So you can see there's also in the back which helps, there's also a sensor in the back which helps the robot to move. I have programmed it with if else with the help of my tutors. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So what's your name?
Tejas. Your name is Tejas? Tejas.
We really appreciate the good work of Mr. Tejas. Thank you, Tejas, for your really interesting robot. Thank you. Thank you for participating.
My name is Rokeshwaran, and I have made the wheelchair boat. This can be helpful for the ones who can't walk. They can, this is small, but definitely the big ones might help them. They can control it with the remote, and they can operate it with the remote. They can sit on this and they can have a nice and pleasant ride on it. Thank you.
Next participant, what's your name?
My name is Vignesh, and my bot name is DiverBot. People can use this bot to find the bottom of the ocean. So you can use it for going up and down. You can control it with a remote control, and if it's too dark and you can't see, you can just press a button and a light comes. So the water to move, so I programmed it to move its tail, so it could move in the water, and it can help us a lot by searching new species and many other things.
Something interesting he was trying to tell this robot is of extremely useful for the oceans, with which we can help to identify the different species. It also has a light provision in case of darkness you can also use. It's one of the nice innovation. Thank you, Mr. Tejas. Yes, so once again a big round of applause for all the participants. We are feeling so happy to be a part of this, and I especially thank their parents for supporting them, and teachers, especially to Mr. Praveen, Mr. Tanmay, and the robotics faculty for guiding them, and of course the students for your tireless effort, and it was really nice, and it's our privilege to be with you today. Thank you so much. So we also have with us Mr. Bhumi sir. So I just want him to address the gathering. So let's hear it from him. So what is his opinion about this? Over to you, sir.
Hi. Actually, you all aware of our Time Master. We just created just a platform for all the students where they can improve their skills. Like, we are all we all also came from the beginning. But you know, I missed a lot in my life that it should not happen for future students. That is the reason we just started this one. Also, like whenever we see this kids' creativity and when they explain their own creativitiness, definitely it made us very much happy. I'm so happy to be here. I'm very much appreciate to all our robotics trainers and parents. It's a good coordinators, everyone. I really like everything. And our kids, I love you so much, everyone. And explain a good way. Thank you so much. Big up.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. A very good afternoon to one and all. I have great pleasure in this wonderful afternoon in welcoming each one of you gathered here. Special welcome to all our distinguished parents who consented amidst their tight schedule to share every moment of this wonderful afternoon with us. Main heroes of today's afternoon is our tiny tots. This day is exclusive theirs. I extend a warm welcome to all the tiny tots of today. So, without wasting much time, let us begin and unfold the various events awaiting. I hope you all enjoy this afternoon with our little superstars who will spread their magic by displaying their talent. And yes, it's time for the fancy dress competition.
Firstly, I would like to can you please all stand for the national anthem? First of all, I would like to introduce the judges to you, Miss Aruna, Miss Sonia, and Miss Abhinaya. A very warm welcome to the judges. And first of all, I would like to announce the criteria for the judges. For the judgment, it is out of 100. Confidence would be 25%, costume 25%, speech 25%, and audience impact would be 25% as well. And the theme would be profession.
Let's begin with the fancy dress. I request Georgia, Alian, Xavier, Jonathan, Derry, and Sinushi to be ready. Before we start up with the fancy dress competition, we have a special performance by our little master, baby Amulya. I request everyone to give a big round of applause for Amulya. She will be presenting a beautiful dance. Amulya, I welcome you on stage. Yes, before we start up with the performance and the fancy dress, I would like to interact with our dear parents. So, how are you all? Yes, first we have Alisha's mom with me. So, she will speak a few words on this occasion. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, it's such a wonderful event being organized by Time Master, and we are pretty glad to, be here. Alisha is taking part in one of the competitions, so we are happy to be here. Thanks.
Thank you so much for your valuable words. It means a lot to us. Yes, anybody with me who will be sharing a few words about our institution? Hi, Jonathan. How are you?
It's been a blessing to leave my son in Time Master. And as the year has gone by, Jonathan has grown up in many things. And not only on his talking, on his actions, he has learned how to be a different person. So I'm really glad that Time Master has helped us.
Thank you so much. We have so many other audience also. Yes, come on, you can speak up. What are you feeling about today? How is everything? Yes, ma'am. Can I talk to you? What's your name?
We are so excited to see the kids going to perform on the stage later. And I'm very happy and glad that I enrolled my daughter in Time Master as she improved a lot, especially in writing. So I'm very, very happy. Good job, Time Master.
Thank you for your valuable words. And we are also awaiting for many more performances. What are you feeling? How excited are you for the performance? And we have the graduation ceremony. We have fancy dress, and morning we had competitions. So how exactly you're feeling, sir?
I don't know, this is my first time, so.
Okay, that's really nice having you here. And someone at the back, he's like associated with since long, Alisha's parent. So can I have a from you?
Hi, I'm Alisha's father. My wife just spoke few words. We are glad. See, first of all, I should say I've not been for my graduation ceremony. So I'm happy that I'm able to come here for my kid's graduation ceremony. She's not even 3 years old. So I'm happy that you do something like this that makes them, make them appreciated for every day they come. They feel stressed to go to school. They want to go to the school. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing really a good job. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. It's a pleasure having you here. Anyone from this side? Yes, Suvan's parent, Ananya, and many more. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, I'm Ananya's mother. I'll definitely say that whatever Ananya improve in her personal skills, it's due to the Time Master. So you guys are doing really good job. I wish my daughter, she will get good impact of this curriculum over her head, and definitely the rest of the kids too. So thank you all the teachers, and I hope Time Master grows like that, and definitely we'll be in touch. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. We need your guidance and support always.
Let's welcome Gaurav for the performance, please. A big round of applause for Gaurav.
into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. Purple Lamborghini lurking. Ain't no mercy, ain't no mercy. Got that purple Lamborghini lurking.
किसी की भी नहीं होनी ठंडे की बोतल में तेरा बना रहे तुझे गट गट मत पी लूं कोका कोला शोला शोला जिम शिम करता हूँ डेड मेरा लीना नी तो बोल दिए गला जिमें चलती मशीना नी तो जो भी कहते देखती है स्कूबी डूबी डू हले रहते तू ना बोली I love you पहले बोले तो बोतल के लिए मैं पैजा में रोला यू के सारे तुझे बोले कोका कोला तू ना समझ तू कोका कोला मैं तो विस्की दी बोतल मेरा एक सिप ही है काफी होने को ना शॉट बोतल चखना मना है रुकना मना है मुझे पी ले जरा आ तू कोका कोला तू
Wow. Thank you, Gaurav. That was a wonderful start. Now I would like to call upon Rudar, his small brother. He would like to dance as well.
Catwalk वाली बेबी है तेरी चाल बैकलेस सूट विच लगदी कमाल ओ किथे चली जांदी है ओ किथे चली जांदी है मैनू पुछना है कोई सवाल ओ दस दे कुवारियां है किस दे तू नाल क्यों दूरों दूरों जानी है जान कट जानी है एने में नखरे तू करे ना सोनिए एने में नखरे तू करे ना सोनिए दिल मेरा तेरे लिए धड़के नहीं आज फिर किथे आज फिर किथे आज फिर किथे करनी है मोर नी बन के आज फिर किथे करनी है मोर नी बन के संडे तो लेके सैटरडे तक संडे तो लेके सैटरडे तक घर पे बैठ तेरी खटके नहीं आज फिर किथे आज फिर किथे आज फिर किथे करनी है मोर नी बन के only for a minute I want to change my mind 'cause this just don't feel right to me I want to raise your spirits I want to see you smile no that means I'll have to leave no that means I'll have to leave lately I've been thinking I want you to be happier I want you to be happier when the evening falls and I'm left there with my thoughts and the image of you being with someone else well it's eating me up inside but we ran our course we pretended we're okay now if we jump together at least we can swim far away from the wreck we made then only for a minute I want to
mystery. First, you have to destroy your inhibitions. You first destroy, then you create. Balls.
She be my queen since we were 16. We want the same things, we dream the same dreams, alright. I got it all, cause she is the one. Her mom calls me loud, but dad calls me son, alright. Alright. I know for sure.
Now let's begin the fancy dress competition. Okay, let's begin now. I will start calling the names of the students. One by one, you start coming. Let's begin. The first name is Alian. Alian Ismail. Clap please for Georgia.
Judges, please note that was participant number 1, Georgia. Well, that was participant number 1, Georgia. Now I request the participant number 2, Alian. Please put your hands together and welcome Alian on stage. Judges, please note next will be participant number 3 and his name is Xavier.
Put your hands together for Xavier. A big...
Hi Xavier, good afternoon. How are you? Well, anyways, thank you. That was participant number 2, Xavier. Please put your hands together. Next participant, Jonathan. Come, Jonathan.
Jonathan. A big round of applause for Jonathan, please. Put your hands together for our 6th contestant.
Judges, please note that was participant number 4, Jonathan.
Please put your hands together for Sinushi. Put your hands together for Sinushi. Now I would like to call upon our 5th contestant, Zach. Our very loving child. Put your hands together for Zach, please. I would like to call upon our next contestant, Nineveh. Please everyone, welcome Nineveh on stage. Our future doctor. A big round of applause for Nineveh. Thank you, Nineveh. Now, I would like to call upon our next contestant, Annapurni. Please put your hands together for Annapurni.
Yeah, little doctor wants to speak to all of you, so I'll hand over the mic to her. Yes, Nineveh, come here. Say hi to everyone. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Hello. I am Dr. Nineveh.
Yeah, tell me, you're a Dr. Nineveh?
I do injection.
I looked after the patients very well. Well, thank you. That was participant number 1, Nineveh. Come on, cheer for her.
One small announcement, please. Now, our next contestant, I would like to call upon Aris, our police officer. Clap your hands for Aris.
Judges, please note that was participant number 2, Aris Akil Ahmed. Aris.
Thank you, our officer. Now, I would like to call upon Annapurni. Put your hands together for Annapurni, please.
Hi, Annapurni. You're looking very beautiful in this costume. Say hi to everybody. She's our little air hostess, Annapurni. Please say hi.
Hi.
Do you want to say something to the crowd? You want to say something? Tell me, what is your name?
Annapurni.
And you are an air hostess, right? Well, that was Annapurni and she was an air hostess. She loves passengers also. Please put your hands together and cheer for her. Thank you, Annapurni. That was a good performance. We also have a little master who wants to speak. Yes, hello. What's your name?
My name's Yuti.
Say louder. What is your name?
My name's Yuti.
Sinushi.
Yes, that was Sinushi. Hi, Sinushi. Say hi to everybody. Wave your hand. Say hi. Hi, Sinushi.
Sinushi, what have you become today? Tell.
Very nice dress, nice cap. You want to say something for all of us? Well, that was Sinushi before you. Thank you, Annapurni, and thank you, Sinushi. Moving on to the next participant.
A warm welcome to our next contestant, Samiro. Samiro, please welcome Samiro.
Samiro on stage. Put your hands together and welcome Samiro. Yes, our little police master wants to speak to you all. So, hi Aris. Say hi to everyone. See, come here. Say hi to everyone.
Hi.
This is Aris before you. You want to say something? No? You don't want to say anything? Your dress is very nice, so you're a police officer, right? So what do you want to say about police?
You love police? Say, I love police. Say.
Say you love to be a police when you become big.
Yeah?
Well, thank you, and that was Aris Akhil before you.
Thank you. Now I would like to announce to call another contestant, Ragad. Put your hands together for Ragad.
Judges, please note the participant was Ragad. Ragad. Okay.
Put your hands together for Ragad, please.
Hi Ragad, good afternoon. Just come friend, say hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hello.
So you're a nurse, right? Oh, you're a doctor. She's a doctor. Dr. Ragad. She wants to become a dentist, so she was telling me since very long that she likes to be a dentist, and finally she has come dressing up like a dentist.
I want to be a dentist. I want to fix the people's teeth, and I will tell them to brush their teeth.
Oh, she wants to become a dentist. She want to fix the teeth of her patients.
And I will tell them to brush their teeth.
And she also wants to tell them to brush their teeth, and that was participant number 8, Ragad.
Now I would like to call upon another contestant, Naira. Naira, our future doctor. Put your hands together for Naira, please. Our next contestant. Thank you, Naira. Now I would like to call upon Zian. Zian, Captain. Zian. Zian, say something. Zian. Thank you, Zian. Thank you. Please clap for Zian.
I'm a captain.
I am Sian captain.
Thank you, Zian. Our next contestant, Dion. Please welcome Dion.
What is your name?
Dion.
What is your profession? What are you today? IT engineer. There. Look at there. Say hi.
Hi.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Next participant, Arav.
Arav, say something.
What is your name?
Our.
What are you today? What have you become today?
I
I'm a
police
soldier.
office.
Say loudly.
Police office.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mokshita wants to say something. Mokshita wants to say something.
What is your name?
Soldier.
Soldier.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Please welcome Mokshita. Our next contestant, Michelle. Kindly welcome Michelle, please.
Hello. What have you become today?
A, B, C, D.
You're a teacher?
Yes.
Oh, very nice. What is your name?
Michelle and Nike.
Very good. Say hi. Say hi to everyone. Good, very good.
Clap for Michelle, please. A very beautiful teacher. Our next contestant, Dareen, please welcome. Clap your hands for Dareen, please. Dareen, you want to say something? You want to say something? Do like this. Say hello to everyone. Thank you, Dareen. Darren wants to say something also.
Hello, Darren.
Hello.
What is your name?
Darren.
What have you become today?
Doctor.
What you will do with the patients? You will cure them? You will give them medicines?
Yeah.
Very nice. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Our next contestant, Ahmad Darwish. Oh!
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Tell, what are you?
Ahmed wants to say something.
My name is Ahmed.
What have you become today?
Kindly, all the parents, please be
You are a
seated.
police? Tell them.
Yes. I am a police.
I catch the thieves.
I am catch the thief.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's welcome on stage another doctor. So many doctors now we are having. Alisha. Another contestant, Alisha. Please clap for Alisha. Everyone. Clap for Alisha. Alisha, say hello. Alisha, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Alisha wants to say something.
Say hi.
Our next contestant, please welcome Vishan.
Judges, please note it is Vishan.
Vishan. Vishan. Thank you, Vishan. Please welcome our next contestant, Vimisha. Vimisha. Please welcome our next contestant, Alessandra.
I want to be a superstar. Huh? I want to be a superstar.
Very good.
Our superstar, please welcome superstar.
please welcome.
What do you want to be?
Hi.
What do you want to be?
She wants to. She said already. Hyra, our next contestant, please welcome Hyra. Hyra. Hyra wants to be a teacher. I would like to invite Anas Muhammad. Anas Muhammad, please put your hands together for Anas. All of you, put your hands together for Anas. Anas, say hello to everyone. Anas, you say something. Put your hands together for Amulya.
No.
Amulya, put your hands together for Amulya. Thank you, Amulya.
You want to say something, Amulya? Yes.
Good evening. My name is Amulya. I am Air Hostess for today. Welcome to Air India. And I am a Air Hostess. And I will lead
Okay, clap for Amulya.
Wow, put your hands together for Amulya, please. Indeed, very talented. Please welcome Veron. Please welcome on stage Veron. Put your hands together for him. Veron, would you like to dance? Veron, would you like to dance?
Architect.
Okay, then what you will do?
Roses are red, colors are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you.
Thank you so much. Okay. Wait. You want to say something?
My name is Sion.
What do you want to be?
Doctor.
Doctor.
Okay, good. Next one is Trupti.
Please welcome Trupti. Put your hands together for Trupti,
okay, happy,
please.
Happy. Smile, 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 smile. Yes.
She's very brave. Trupti. Wow, she looks so pretty. Put your hands together together for Trupti. Trupti! Whoa! She never cries.
Do not sleep.
A very stylish girl we have. Very stylish. Trupti. Trupti said she wants to become a doctor.
Veron. Veron, come. Come. Hold his hand.
What is this?
Take him out.
Say hello. Veron, say hello. Hello.
That's why she's got something? Yes. What do you want to be?
Race singer.
Huh? Loudly. What do you want to be?
Race singer.
Okay, which car you like most?
Veron.
Okay.
He will tell the name of all the cars. Which is this car?
This car is Chelve.
Okay. Tell me this car.
Bentley.
She's not ready. Where is
Porsche.
Very nice.
Ananya. Go baby.
I am the Ananya doctor. I will take who is not feeling well.
Okay, very good. Suwan.
I want to be a specialist.
Now I would like to request all the participants to come on the stage for a group photo, please.
To the end of today's fancy dress competition, I, on behalf of Time Mastered Skills Development Center, would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our dearest judges, Miss Aruna, Miss Sonia and Miss Abhinaya for your time and coming all the way for this program. Thank you so much. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude for all the parents for your active participation and our dear little masters. They have come dressing so beautifully. Once again, I thank each and everyone for making this fancy dress combination a great success. Thank you.
We have a very special performance now. Our very talented child, please welcome Noha on stage.
के
Amazing performance. I would like to request Ansh to come on stage. He wants to say Gayatri Mantra. Please welcome Ansh.
Om Bhuvat Ha Tatsaturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat.
Thank you, Ansh. Please clap for Ansh. A very talented boy.
We are also glad and proud to announce the commencement of our 2 new courses, Best Me and Photography. Now, may I request Miss Sonia to come onto the stage and brief on this new course, Best Me. Over to you, Sonia.
Hello, everyone.
Say hello, everyone. Hello.
Time Master Skills Development Center welcomes our dear parents and our wonderful students. I am Sonia Rennie. I'm a certified soft skills trainer. I'm passionate about channelizing the powerful energy in the children into something positive. My responsibility and my objective here is to introduce the Best Me program. And I'm going to share 2 important points that each and every parent of a child has to know. So shall we start? Parents, are you with me? Yes. Okay. I like to start with some wise words from a wise man. As said by Carl Jung. He's a German psychiatrist. Quote, who looks outside dreams. Who looks inside awakes. Let me start off with a brief introduction about Time Master Skills Development Center. Time Master Skills Development Center is a part of a renowned vocational training institute in Abu Dhabi named Time Training Center. Time Master Skills Development Center is accredited institute to ACT-VET. Many of you all will be knowing it stands for Abu Dhabi Center for Technical and Vocational Education and Training. Time Master Skills Development Center has been in the field of education over 22 years in Abu Dhabi. Parents, are you all with me? Children, can you be silent a little bit? No, Okay, let's continue. Time Master Skills Development Center focuses on all-round development of your child. For that, we have taken up an approach which is innovative, creative, and fun-filled. Our endeavors is to build a strong foundation among the children with the help of extracurricular and co-curricular activities. We work to empower your child towards the competitive edge. We see that every moment your child spends with us is a creative, informative, and a meaningful one. Well, parents, now I need a little help from you all. Will you help me? Okay, all I want is, please share a little opinion about what exactly is personality development according to you all. Anybody? Anybody? Any opinions to share? What is personality development according to you all? Anybody? Yeah? Parents? What according to you is personality development? What do you think what are the areas involved in it? All right. Fine, no issues. Personality development constitutes of different areas of a person. It can be social, mental, physical, and emotional as well. But parents, there's one first step that has to be catered to. Can anybody add in some words? Can you tell me what can be the stage 1 or a first step for a personality development to happen in a person? All right. Has anybody heard about self-image? self-image is all about our beliefs, our values, what we think about our own selves. Yeah? A positive self-image is essential for kick-starting the personality development of a person or a child. We all form self-image just because of different opinions of others. Parents, are you all with me? Okay. I'm telling you some important things here, and I want you all to listen to me. Yeah? All right. Personality development, the first step is creating a positive self-image. We all have this self-image already built up in all of us. You know from where? By the opinions of others, from the opinions of our teachers, friends, relatives. Everybody has an opinion about us, right? They speak to us, they share with us, oh, you're beautiful, oh, you're handsome, oh, you're intelligent, yeah? All these opinions are going into our minds. Not only a person, but as also a child's mind. And then what happens? A self-image is formed. All right, parents, I've got 2 important points to share with you all, which is a must for every parent of a child to know. Are you all ready to hear? No? Okay. Anyways, parents, did you all know our mind has 2 segments? One is a subconscious mind, another is a conscious mind. Yeah. Again? Can you all look at this picture? This picture, for the parents, for whom it is not clear, let me explain you. This is a picture of an iceberg. Iceberg has a small portion of it on the top of the water, but the bigger portion is below the water, yeah? So, in the same way, our subconscious mind is a very powerful one, and it is the hidden one. And it is equal to the underwater part. Our subconscious mind is the one which has and stores all the beliefs of us. And because of our beliefs is what our behavior comes, right? Based on our beliefs, we behave. So our conscious mind is similar to the top part of the water. Now, the 2 important points I want to share with you all is, parents, when our child is born, the subconscious mind of our child is wide open. That means, whatever you give to the child at that time, from an age of 0, newborn to an age of 4 to 5, is completely deposited into their subconscious mind. The child has no conscious mind. That is the point 1, right? So whatever he smells, touches, tastes, everything goes into his subconscious mind. The point number 2 is, the subconscious mind has a speciality. It has no capacity to reject anything. It's going to accept everything it is given and provided. So parents, it's very important that we provide. So it's very important that we provide our children with positive thoughts and positive experiences. But after an age of 5, what happens? The child starts growing up his conscious mind. And conscious mind has the ability to reject and accept. That is when the child starts deciding, oh, this is good for me, this I'm taking it, this no. So, this is the age, after 5 plus is the age from when the correction is possible. But before that, everything is stored in our mind. But there's a good news. There's a good news. Do you want to hear the good news? The good news is, our mind is reprogrammable. We can reprogram our minds. And now is where the Best Me program comes up. Time Master Skills Development Center has crafted a curriculum such that the child's mind, belief, subconscious mind can be reprogrammed. For that, we are using certain tools and techniques like visualization, positive self-talk, meditation, daily affirmations, etc. are going to be used. Let me speak quickly about the course structure. The course structure of Best Me program, we have divided it into two groups, for the junior group and the senior group. The junior group consists of children aged 7 to 10 years, and the senior group consists of children aged 10 years and above. We have planned out 2 levels. Level 1 will be basic. Level 2 is going to be an intense level course. It's weekly once class, and each class is of 2 hours each. And the whole course, level 1 is going to be 3 months, that is 12 weeks, 12 classes with 2 hours each. Let me inform your parents that this Best Me program is also conducted in Musafa branch as well, and it is under the name of Best Me itself. And Miss Aruna Shivakumar, she is the trainer there. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you, Aruna. Yeah, so Miss Aruna Shivakumar is leading the sessions there. We have around 10 plus children there, and the session is successfully completed. Around 6 classes till now. Yeah? Now, let me move forward to the course content. The plan of the course is the first 3 weeks it's going to be communication skill classes. The next 3 is listening skill. We are going to teach how to actively listen, and listen not to reply but to understand and take in the things, right? And week 7, 8 and 9 is concentrated on public speaking. Coming to 10, 11 and 12, it's more of 21st century skills like time management, team management skills, leadership skills. So basic level of all these different 21st century skills will be introduced to the child. And all this which is going to be a sandwiched with daily affirmations, positive self-talk, and we are concentrating that the self-image of the child is going to be developed into a positive way. Yes? Yeah, then skip please. Next. Yeah. Parents, no program is complete without your partnership. Who's the first teacher of a child? Mother and father? Yeah? Mother and father are first teachers of the child. So without your partnership, no program is complete. We request you all to be with your child for the homeworks that will be given. After every session, small amount of homework will be given. Don't have to worry, it's not going to be long, lengthy, tough ones. So complete participation from parents is requested. After every session, for the next session, the previous session's homework will be discussed. All right, next. Yeah. After all the course is completed, don't we need an assessment? Yes. So we are conducting a certification ceremony on that day. We are giving our children an opportunity to take up the whole anchoring of the session. The children will be given 2 topics. 1 or 2 children will speak a pep talk on that. A group of children will take up a role play session. And then one of the child is going to lead an affirmation session. And lastly, we also are planning to conduct an energizer or a game session for selected parents. And parents, you know what's the speciality? All this is going to be conducted by your children. So parents, instead of giving tab or phones to our children, let us enroll them to such personality development courses which are going to equip your children for the challenges ahead. All right, lastly, parents, I request you all to stand up, and can you all stand up? There's an affirmation. I want you all to join with me. I will repeat. Please repeat after me. Are you all ready? Would you please stand up for the affirmation? And I request the children, whoever can repeat, to repeat with me. Yeah? Let us do it. Say it like you mean it. Okay? This is the best me. I am is alert. My heart is receptive. I will never be the same. I become the best me every day. Thank you all. Thank you once again. Any questions you want to ask, I can answer. Yeah? All right. Let me tell you, the next program is a speak up by a child named Aditya. He is a student of our Musafa branch. He won't take more than 1 or 2 minutes. Parents, this is just another one child of us. So let's sit down, encourage the child. Can I hear a round of applause? Hi Aditya, how are you? Careful, careful. Yeah, you're going to speak? All right, once again. Thank you all once again. See you all. The registration is open for Best Me program. Sign in your children and have the fun. See your child grow. Thank you.
Good evening to all. I am Aditya from Vizag, Andhra Pradesh. Today is a big day for me, and I am here to tell few happy moments in my life. My happiest moment is when I met my mother after 10 months here in Abu Dhabi. And I am very lucky to get an opportunity to build my future in Abu Dhabi. It's a great success for me, an average English speaker, to get a chance to speak in front of you all in a big place like Abu Dhabi. This is only due to teacher support and hearty thank you to Time Master. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya. It feels so proud to have a student like you. I wish we get many more students. Well, with the quote, I become the best me, I declare the Best Me quotes open. For more details on this quotes, you can visit our center, or you can also refer to our website www.timemaster.e. I also personally thank Ms. Sonia for the valuable and most informative presentation, and it feels so privileged to have her with us. I officially welcome her to the Time Mastered Skill and Development family. Welcome, Sonia. Once again, welcome to the Time Mastered Skill and Development family. Time Mastered Skills and Development Center, it feels very proud to have a young and energetic trainer like you. Looking forward for the next days. Thank you.
Thank you so much for such an introduction. Thank you to the management and Mr. Bhuminathan as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Within a short while from now, we will commence with the graduation ceremony. Over to Ms. Mavish. I request Mr. Bhuminathan, sir, to hand over a bouquet to Ms. Sonia as a token of love and appreciation for her work.